What's good, guys? This is Hadi from HadiTech, back with a brand new video. Now, in today's video, guys, we are diving into one of the biggest and most reliable platforms in the game, which is CJ Affiliates. If you are looking to monetize your content by partnering with major global brands, this is the perfect video for you. In today's video, guys, we're going to be breaking down the process of creating an account with CJ, from the initial setup to the last bit of using your account and getting your affiliate links. I've been a partner with CJ for the past couple years, and I know how this platform works, and I can give you some insights and some tips that will get you approved as well. And one of the first tips that I would recommend that you have is the fact that you need to create your own brand, which means you need to have your own social media accounts, you need to have your own website. All of these seem like too much for you to actually have, but it's just very simple, guys. If you don't have a website, go back to my YouTube channel and look for this video right here. It says stop relying on one income, how I combine Shopify and AdSense. In this tutorial, I broke down how you can make a website that is approved on AdSense while it will actually get you approved also on affiliate networks, and you can use it to earn affiliate commissions as well. So the full video will be linked in the description down below. You will have the same files as well. So what you need to do is just go to Shopify, import my files, and you will have a website just like this. This is the website that I've created, and this will actually get you approved to a lot of affiliate networks, guys. So make sure to check that video out. Now that's for the website and how to create the website. The second thing that you need to have is a professional email. So for the professional email, it should reflect your brand name and your domain as well, and you gotta have that as well, because a lot of affiliate networks, and especially CJ, will not approve you if you don't have a professional email. So if you use your Gmail account, Yahoo, whatever the case might be, you will not be approved. So it's better to have a professional email. And in order to have that, it's simple. Go to Namecheap and you can literally start your free trial with $0. Then you can start paying for the private email or the professional email later on. So you can use it for the first month. You can get accepted. Then if you want to commit with them, you can start paying for their service. So the link will be in the description as well, guys. So make sure to cap your professional email. Now you have two requirements. The last one is obviously creating some social media accounts for the website that you create. So depends on the niche that you are working in and you are posting about. Create social media accounts about that domain or about that website. So create Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook pages. These will help you a long way with getting accepted on CJ. Now that we are done with the requirements, let's just move into the whole signing up process. So I'm gonna leave the link in the description down below, guys. So go ahead to cj.com and just click on get started. Once you are here, you will be prompted to choose one of these following options, either advertisers agency or publisher creator. So you must choose publisher/creator. Click on it and click on sign up. And in this sign up process, you must include the correct information. Otherwise, your account will not be approved. Okay, guys? So make sure to put everything that you do here correctly, guys. Once you fill in these details, click on submit, and they will tell you you'll be given an email. So check your email and verify that email. All right, the next step is to verify the email that we got from CJ. So go back to your email and check for the email from CJ. It's here, so click on it and click on create my CJ publisher account. All right, the next step is to agree on these agreements, and you will have a bunch of them right here. You can go through them. I will not be going through all of them, but we'll check these options right here. And in order to accept the agreements, you need to click on them just like this, view them, of course. Then click on accept agreements. Do the same for these two right here. Once you accept all the agreements right here, click on continue to account, and then you have to log in back to your account. Now you are in your account and you will be prompted with the onboarding process. So first click on get started just like this. And the first thing that we need to do is enter the user information. So click on add user information, click on account information right here, click on edit and start editing these information right here, which includes the organization name, the address, state, phone, and the currency and stuff like that. So make sure to fill in these details as well. Once you fill in everything, click on save. Then it should tell you that you successfully filled in the details. Then the next thing is to click on the network profile, click on general, and you need to edit the description. Description is literally your profile, and that's what the brands will see. So once you submit your application or send your application to partner with the brand, this is what they see. So go ahead and craft a good description that fits your business and fits your whole brand. Of course, you can use any AI chatbot and you can write the description, but make sure to highlight these key points, which are your strengths, your relevant statistics, traffic, and demographics. So make sure to highlight these, then click on save. Documents will not be uploading any documents right here, and for the publisher classification will not be fiddling with that as well. So let's just move to the payment settings, click on tax information, and this is very, very important. So the first thing that we need to do is of course add our tax information. So click on edit, and they will give you a verification code. So go ahead and check your email and put in the verification code right here. Now in the tax forms, there are 3 tax forms. So if you are a resident or an individual within the US or operates within the US, then you gotta opt for the W9. So this is the option for you guys. And you got these 2 options right here, which concerns most and the majority of the viewers watching this video. Now, if you are an individual, and probably if you signed up as an individual, then this is the option to go for. Now, if you signed as a brand, organization, an entity, and you are trying to file these tax forms, then you should select the last option. So it literally depends on whether you signed as an individual or as a brand. That's merely it. So pick whatever that suits you and file in the tax information right here. Now that we are done with the tax information, we need to add a property, a promotional property. So go back to the home page on your newly created account with CJ and click on add property. And from here, we need to add either social media accounts or a website of our own. So create a property, click on it, and as you can see, we will have a bunch of options. So pick the options that you have and you own. Of course, click on website in our case, and we'll add our website just like this, and scroll all the way down. You will find the promotional model. So they will ask you which promotional model that you will be using with your website, social media account, etc. So we'll just be using content, blog, and media, and this should be our primary promotional model. You can select multiple things, of course, but you need to select one as your primary promotional model. Then make sure to select this is my primary promotional property. So if it is your primary promotional property or source of traffic, make sure to select it right here. You can also add tags. I will not do that. And yeah, let's just submit this promotional property first. Click on submit, and voila, just like this, you have added your first promotional property. You can add multiple things, of course. So if you want to add more social media, more websites, click on add promotional property and do the same for your social media accounts, emails, and websites. Now let's just go back to the homepage, and apparently we missed the user information. So let's just add our user information. Click on add user information, and yeah, in here just click on these 3 dots, click on edit, and put in your first name, last name, your phone number, and the title as well. Then click on save. If we go back to the home page, now we have validated and added our user information. Scroll all the way down, and yeah, we need to add our payment information, and this should be the last step in order to set up the whole account. So click on payment settings, click on payment information, then click on edit. And in here, they will also send you a verification code to your email. Now, first thing first, you need to actually set the minimum amount, which is $50. So let's just put it at 50. Then you can select the currency in here. So select the currency as well. Then select the account type, which is checking or savings. Then put in your relevant information, which is the BIC and the IBAN and the bank name as well. Make sure to toggle this to and click on save. Now go back to the home page and scroll all the way down. You will need to answer these questions right here. I just answer them really quick. Click on submit, and you should be good to go now. Once you are done with the whole steps that we just showed you, click on activate account, and just like this, your account now has been activated. So click on got it. Now your page will refresh, and you now can start joining networks and start getting your promotional links as well. So let's just go over there and explain it in a second. Now if we refresh the homepage again, it should look like this. Okay, it should show you the dashboard, the impressions, the commissions, the sales, the leads. You can also go back by the times, so you can go and select yesterday, this week, this month, and all of that. You can see also the new advertisers that have joined CJ. Now if you want to partner with any brand, click on find advertisers, and in here you can find a lot of advertisers, and you can submit your application, and you can start working with those brands as well. You can see we have around 2,900 brand that we can work with. In here you can see the commission type, the EPC, and also the application category, if it is automatic or manual. And you can see even your chances with a couple brands, if you are a good fit or not a good fit. Okay, so this is how it should look like. If I want to submit my application with any of these, as you can see, I'll just need to click on apply to this program, for example, and it should say application submitted for review. You need to wait, and if you got accepted, you will find your new advertisers in my advertisers section right here. Now if you want to see your reports, you can go and click on reports. You can see the program overview, you can see your performance, you can see your estimated payout, when you will be paid out. For the campaigns, you can also get links and products from here. You can also get promo codes and a bunch of other things. And for the accounts, you can also manage your account from this section. So this is how to set up your account with CJ. This is how to apply with CJ, and how to start partnering with brands on CJ as well. And yeah, this was just a quick tutorial, guys, on how to create an account with CJ. If you found this video quite helpful, then please comment and subscribe, because we'll have more tutorials on the way. So make sure to tune in. And yeah, if you have any questions, drop it in the comment section down below. This was Hadi. Take care of yourselves, guys. See you in the next one, and peace.